In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search emails in Outlook. By the end, you'll be able to quickly find the exact message you need and refine your results so you're not sifting through a crowded inbox. Start by clicking the search bar at the top of your Outlook window. It sits above your message list and is designed to activate helpful search tools as soon as you select it. Once it's active, type the keywords that describe what you're looking for. This could be a person's name, a topic, or a phrase. If you know the precise wording you want, put it in quotation marks, like quarterly report, to tell Outlook to match that exact phrase rather than each word separately. When you're ready, press enter. Outlook will scan your messages and show results that include your terms in the sender, the subject line, or the email body, so relevant content rises to the top. To narrow things down further, look to the right side of the search bar for the filter option and click it. This is where you choose the search scope and refine your results. For scope, select where you want Outlook to look: current folder, current mailbox, or all Outlook items. Current folder limits the search to the folder you're viewing, which is great when you know the message lives in a specific place like your inbox or a project folder. Current mailbox expands the search across all folders in your mailbox, including subfolders, which is helpful if you're not sure where the email was filed. All Outlook items cast the widest net, pulling from everything in Outlook, which can be useful if you work across multiple folders or archives and need a comprehensive sweep. Now, use the refine options to zero in on details. Choose from to filter by a specific sender when you remember who sent the email. Use subject to match keywords only in the subject line, which can cut through long message threads. Turn on has attachments to show only emails that include files, perfect for finding that document you were sent. And if you're prioritizing what to process next, you can filter by unread, flagged, or important to surface messages by status rather than content. You can combine scope and refine choices to get very precise results. If your list feels too broad, narrow the scope or add a refine filter. If it's too narrow, broaden your scope or remove a filter. With these tools, you'll find what you need faster and keep your workflow moving. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.